When we met with my wife for the first time, she said it would be great to sail around the world. And in that moment, I felt in love with her.
We knew there are kids coming, and also that we need some good boat that will keep us safe and that will make our dream possible.
We decided actually to change our lifestyle because we were working a lot. We built the company, we sold the company, but we decided we will buy a boat which will give us way more experiences and stories and actually time with our kids. And because we as humans, we live from the experience, and I don't see the point to be sitting in the office and still multiply the number on the bank account. The reason why I picked ML50 is because of its elegance, safetiness, and possibility to operate the boat just two adults on the board, and because of its comfort for the whole family.
We will be leaving from Spain to Canary Islands, across the ocean to Caribbean, then through Panama Canal to Galapagos, French Polynesia, Australia, New Zealand, Indonesia. We should pass Maldives, and then around South Africa. We touch Brazil and we get back to Spain. When I'm saying it, I just can't imagine how it will be for like 3 years on a boat.
Now that I'm using the boat, I appreciate the most the protective cockpit, the solid railing around, a lot of storage everywhere, and the engine room, which consists of all the technology, so it protects the noise on the board. And my kids, actually, they have plenty of space to play around, and my wife loves the kitchen.
It's incredible how the boat is self-sustaining in this perspective, that really you can do anything and you don't need marinas, you don't need any service there, because you have everything here on the ML.
There are actually people around who are dreaming, but not fulfilling their dreams. And we hope that this project will inspire them to fulfill their dream.